All right, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever country you're connecting from. You're welcome to FX Media, FX Market Review. All right, so whichever place you're connecting from, whether you are in Asia or you are in West Africa, America, UK, whichever place, you're welcome to this YouTube live. All right, so as usual, we are going to be revealing the market. See where we're going to be profiting from, just as how we did last week, where we made a couple of dollars from the financial market. So this week, we are going to be looking at some certain market that we're going to be milking this week, okay? So ensure that you follow up in what we're doing and ensure you to make money for yourself. So don't joke with it. Don't joke with it at all. All right. So guys, let's go. I can see Premium Boss. Shout out to Premium Boss himself. It's good to have you on the live. All right. Okay, so welcome everybody that's connected to this live. we're looking at getting to over 100 participants. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know what others are still waiting for. I don't know what they're waiting for. So we hope that they get to 100 participants. All right. So we're looking forward to a time where we're going to be getting to 1,000 plus, and it's going to happen. Yeah, definitely, it is going to happen. Right. So the ball is in your court. This opportunity that FX Media is giving to you guys is not an opportunity that is free. Okay, but FS Media tends to give you to you guys for free. All right, show you where we're going to be profiting from this following week. Okay, there are people who actually sell out courses, sell out these opportunities, YouTube Live. For you to be on this YouTube Live, you got to pay for their private space on YouTube. Hope you guys are aware that there are private streaming on YouTube. Yeah, private streaming. You can't have access to the link anywhere you are. Is if your mentor or your instructor sends you the link. Even if you have the link, you don't even have access to it. It's one to permit you inside the class. All right. So take this opportunity that is being given to you very, very, very serious for your own good, your own self-development in the financial market. So if you're a newbie in this class, I understand that this class we're having and market review that we're having involves different categories of persons, whether you're a newbie, one who doesn't know Forex at all, maybe this is the first time of joining a Forex meeting, and also maybe you've been trading the financial market, but you are not profitable. Probably you make money today and you lose money tomorrow. You are just switching, but at the end of the day, you don't get to make money. So I understand that there is that category, and also the category of people who are already profitable, like the ones that have trained across 10 countries in the world. All right. So I know that everybody are here. So if you're a newbie, you may not understand what we're doing, but I'm not saying you should leave. I invited you right here and stay in the class so you can have a physical and a personal experience with what you have in stock for you to learn. All right. So Forex is one of those business. It's not actually one of those business. It's actually that business that you actually need a mentor and the right structure. Okay, if you don't have the right structure, you don't have the right mentor, what's going to happen to you? Only one thing can happen to you. What is that? Your money is going to pay the price. Yeah, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow in the financial market. It's not that kind of market that you just bump into YouTube, pick out any video, you watch the video, and you feel like you can start bid making, start tomato business, selling gadgets. No, Forex is not that type. We are talking about the #1 market in the world that is bigger than any human being, any richest man, any business you have across the world. So it is a very, very serious market. So it's something that requires your 100% attention. All right, with the right mentor, the right academy that's going to give it to you. And guess what? The right mentor, right academy that's going to give it to you as class. Yeah. So if you are in this class, you're fortunate enough to be in FS Media class, because by the grace of God, we are one of those real mentors that have actually impacted knowledge to people that have changed their life. One thing is to teach a trader, another thing is to make a withdrawal as the mentee. A trader who is not profitable can't give what he doesn't have. You can't teach somebody and be profitable. No, there's no way. Except the trader is profitable and you teach somebody else, yeah, the person will be profitable. You can't give what you don't have. All right. So one of the things that you also need to be aware of, if you're in the FX Media, is we know that blowing of accounts is a sin. So we don't blow accounts in Forex. So the highest thing that could happen to you is trade hitting your stop loss. All right. So that is what should maybe the side effect of what is going to happen to you. Okay. So open your mind, keep your mind open. All right. And also do not quit your job for Forex. This is very, very important. I usually do this pep talk so as to encourage you guys and help you with your psychology. You guys understand that trading involves 80% psychology and 20% the educational part of Forex. That is your support and resistance, your SMC, ICT, chart patterns here and there. So that's 20%. So then the 80% is your psychology, which has to do with the mind, the state of the mind. So many of you who have attended my class you already experienced the explanation on common errors made by traders, in which I have given to you guys and taught you guys over time. And it's something that you get to relate with day to day in your daily life and your affairs. So you understand. So the principles, how it goes. In case you're wondering, there is an academy for that, an academy to hold you by the hands and walk you through the journey of being financially free, where you're going to be an expert trader. All right. So if you're just joining in and you are not yet subscribed to our channel, ensure you click the subscription button, turn on your notification, and let's rock and roll so that you won't miss any updates that we are going to be dropping on the YouTube channel right now, or in the future. So ensure you're not going to miss these opportunities, because we drop amazing content that's going to change your life forever. All right. So guys, it's good to have everybody here. We're increasing by the numbers. I'm looking forward to 100. We're going to hit 100 and we move forward. Good to have everybody right here. So whichever country you're connecting from, kindly drop the country ASAP. Drop it on the chat section. Let's rock and roll. Drop it ASAP. Drop it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on, drop it. Whichever country you're connecting from. Falsat Adeniro said FS media traders are the best. Yes, legit, they are the best. See, listen, as long as you listen to the right instruction and follow the right route, all right? So the sky will be your limit. Yeah, the sky is going to be your limit. I paid my price. I'm still paying the price to achieve more greater heights. All right. So I can't open anybody's brain and choke knowledge inside. All right. And choke knowledge inside the person's head. No, it's left for you to actually receive this information and digest it into your body system and into your mind. All right. Let Forex become part of you. You're synchronized in the Forex market. So Forex is you are Forex. You think and you breathe and live Forex. That is how it should be. So that whatever thing that you do, because I have a vision in which I started out 3 years ago. That vision is I want to be uncomfortable with money. That is, whenever I sneeze, money comes out. Whenever I cough, money comes out. If I wink, money comes out. If I shake body, money comes out. If I drive, money comes out. I make a call, money comes out. Anything I do, money comes out, but it doesn't get dry. We have a vault, a reservoir. All right. So that is a vision that I've always had 3 years ago. And by the grace of God, we are walking in that light. And I want you guys to also run with that vision. And what, yeah, and it's going to happen. Everything we do in life requires sacrifices. You got to sacrifice for the greater good. So there is nothing you want to do that you won't sacrifice. There is nothing you want to achieve in this life. You have to sacrifice something for the other. I'm seeing a lot of Nigerians here, Canada. Nigeria is plenty for you. What's going on with you guys? So why are you people plenty? Are you not relocating? Are you not relocated to Canada or something, or UK, or money never drop? I have a few students that relocated to UK and Canada, yeah, Ivory Coast, Sierra Leone, yeah, Ghana. All right, so I don't know why they're not here. Okay, we'll just wait for more people to join you. I hope we get to 200 plus, and yeah, we should have more foreigners right here on the live. All right, so congratulations to everybody for connecting to this live once and again. You're going to have an exciting time. Okay. Mm. Mm. All right, guys, hold on. All right, so we're going to be looking into some amazing pairs, right? So we have two pairs to actually look into. All right, some persons are really amazing. Some amazing comments they actually drop. Okay, it is well. All right, good to have everybody right here. So we're going to be looking at two pairs, and I get suggestions from you guys. I don't plan on spending so much time in tonight's class here. I don't plan to spend so much time in tonight's class. So you're going to be taking two pairs. So the first one I'm going to be looking into, I believe you guys are already set. Now, please do not use low quality mode on your phone for the YouTube. Ensure it's a high quality so you can see clearly what we are doing. Okay. Okay, let me see some questions. Someone said, sir, how many pairs do you trade? Well, if you have been following up, I trade JPY pairs and a couple of USD pairs as well. Okay. All right. Pausat Adeniran said, since I attended the First Media Academy class, been I've been seeing, hey Jesus, looking at the countdown, the time. So many changes in my trading practice. Even my friend who are also trading are looking at me like they are saying, how do you do it? Beautiful. Pausat is a lady. Pausat is a lady's name, and that's super amazing. If a lady is doing something like this, what do you think will be the testimony of guys? All right. Is Peter on this call? The guy that bought a car. Hope he's on this call. And the other guy that bought the land, and the other guy, what's his name again? Daniel that made 58 million. Hope you are here. Testimony, how you doing? I see you, bro. I see you. I see you. Let me pin Fausat's comment right there. Said, I have been attending so many Forex trading class, but I never understood anything. Hey, yeah. Sorry. But now you understand in FX Media. Beautiful. Peter Akpan said, I want to make enough money before I relocate. Interesting. I've already addressed this. You're higher. You say we are not seeing the screen clearly. I've already addressed this. Okay. So check your phone very, very well. Akpan said, boss, you Sabi Road. I see you. I see you, bro. I see you. All right. So back to the chat. All right, so always remember to use FXCM. Don't use any other one except you want to use Oanda, just as we have here. Under CHFJPY, that's Swiss francs / Japanese yen, you have Oanda, then FXCM. So whichever one you got to use, but the one that has the actual Forex market is the FXCM under your trading view. Don't try to use any other ones, you confuse you. All right, so because some of these pairs you can have buy candlestick as the last closing candle, and on the other one you could have bearish candlestick. Two of them telling you, one telling you buy, the other telling you sell, then you eventually sold. But the main one in the Forex market is a bullish candlestick, and what happens to you? You are trapped. Okay, and that it doesn't sit well. That's not so cool. Okay, this sense say I don't see your WhatsApp status again. You go check your phone now, except my number deleted from your phone. All right, so let's go. So we're looking into CHFJPY using the strategy top-down analysis. All right, price action. Okay, so it's a very fantastic strategy that has made so much money for traders around the world. It's a very fantastic trading strategy. Not everybody can understand it well, but it's something that you got to spend your time. You don't need to be jumping from one strategy to the other. All right. Or what you just need to know is this strategy, is it up to 60-70%? Does it have that kind of score to be able to of profitability? 60 to 70, 80, 90? Yeah. If you have that profitability, you work on it. Yeah, that's what you need to know. Not a strategy that has a win rate of 20% and you're expecting to increase the strategy. No, it doesn't work like that. Don't spend your time doing the wrong thing. You spend your time doing the right things, and you're going to find out that your journey is going to be swift. Okay, so you can see somebody that spent 10 years in Forex, okay, and achieved a whole lot of things, 15 years. Hello. For that person to spend such time doesn't mean that is the time you're going to spend. Everybody wants at his own grace, and if you ask that person how did he learn, probably he had a scattered knowledge. 1 year he was playing with Forex, second year he was losing, third year he mixed Forex with school. He was not concentrating. Before you know it, it tells you, I was doing Forex for like 7 years, 8 years. Okay, if you do Forex consistently, the right way every day, you are allowed to be part of your daily life, just as how you operate your phone, open your WhatsApp almost every second or every minute of your life. If you take the Forex market like that, trust me, you're going to have a result in little or no time. Okay, so yeah, that is why in FX Media you can actually be very good in trading in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, depending on how fast you are. Okay, so it's not something that you need 1 year, 2 years. Look at Daniel. Daniel is 20 years old. It means that Daniel lands from reference media in the year 2022. All right, 20 years old. He wrote to IEC this year and he made 58 million naira from the financial market. Daniel, my boy. All right, and he's doing remarkably well. So, what does that tell you? Did he just wake up to 58 million naira? No, it means that in that 2022, he became profitable. And his money started increasing gradually. Gradually, it was in hundreds of thousands. Now it's in millions. That's crazy. 20 years old boy. It means that at the age of 18 years, he was learning from FX media. So he does. First, knows no gender. He knows no age grade. Okay, as long as you know your left from your right, your back from your front, you know your plus, your minus, your multiplication, your division. So that's all. You don't need calculus in forex. No, just know some certain things, and that's all. You understand English language. And English language means not complex English language. If a word you don't understand, you can check your dictionaries, Google. You get to understand it ASAP. Nothing so complex as long as you follow the right route. I'm emphasizing on these things because this plays a major role in the market. Here, the buy and sell is nothing. It's nothing. The thing that influences your decision to buy or sell is this thing that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, so this is what you need to actually know. Hey, Kelvin say want to be my premium group. If you don't have my number, ensure that you chat up from the web from my website www.surfacemediatrade.com, or you chat up from YouTube. Okay, say, boss, are you coming to PH with 10 trade? That question, you get killed. Like, I feel come, I feel no come. So that's it like that, 50-50. I feel come, I feel no come. If you see me that day, fine, thank God. If you not see me, still fine, thank God. All right, I'll take questions later, but let's look into the chat. So we go to higher time. Is premium boss still with us? Is it still with us? Or what we are doing? Your brain does cut as possible. If you are still with us, drop a comment so we can know that you are still with us. All right, so let's identify the trend of the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame, you get to know the trend. So let's zoom in and know what the trend is saying to us. All right, so clearly, what can we see here? We can see an uptrend, right? So now that we've been able to derive the trend of the market, we're able to know where it is the trend. So what do? We focus our attention and direction towards buying. All right. Sydney said, having you as a mentor, feedback and next year. That's sweet. It's very possible. Very, very possible. All right. So now let's plot our trend lines and resistance here. So we have this right here. This is a trend line from where? From a daily time frame. So now that we've been able to ascertain that this is an uptrend, like I said, we are going to now do what? Trade in the direction of a buy. Okay. Hope you're understanding that clearly. So let's go down to the lower time frame. So 4 hours remove. Yeah. So we look at what else you can actually plot. You know, I told you guys that you need to zoom in, not out. Zoom in. Well, let the chart squeeze. When it squeeze, you gradually start plotting and expanding so you can be able to see some certain things. But if you allow it open like this, see, you allow it open like this, you're likely to get confused from the beginning. You may not even know what is going on. You think this is a downtrend, but it's not a downtrend. So that's why you have to zoom in like this first. When you're analyzing from higher time frame, you zoom in like this first. Okay, so you can now zoom out in a way. All right, so from here, we have zones that we can plot right here. We have a breakout that took place here. So we are plotting our breakout. That is the resistance zone. Yeah, resistance zone. Yeah, that turns support zone. Actually, this is a support zone that is looking like resistance right now. So we have market retest. Market was in an impulse move that went up. Then it came down for a retracement like this, making series of lower highs and lower lows in this direction, just as my trend line move. So this is a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now below the candle is lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, so that is it. That is a temporary retracement. If you're thinking that, all right, so this market is now going to sell, no, it's not going to be going down. Why? Because the market hasn't broken down the daily time frame trend line. When you have market breakouts, let me bring down my pen. If you have market breakout like this, yes, you know that this is invalid now. Market, this is invalid. This uptrend is invalid. So now it's going to be going down. But since you have your trend line on higher time frame at the one, you're going to be looking at directions to only buy. You wait for the market to come to you. Don't be in a haste. Don't chase the market up and down. So now we're zooming out. Can zoom out now. All right. So we plot our lower lows with our trend line. Said lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So this is what we actually have right here. So let's go to the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour. Okay. So we're zooming out. So we have this. This want to be a premium class. Ensure you are there. Ensure you are there. For you, send me a message and you'll be there. Don't say, boss, I'm confused. Don't worry. Just be seated. Just be seated and follow up. I told you, follow the right route so you can start learning gradually. So I say, boss, you are good though. Thank you, Yusuf. Yeah. So back to the chart. We have a resistance here. Remember that these are zones where market rejected, where sellers are. We have a resistance. Then we have candlestick right here that broke out to touch this major resistance, came down a little, went up, came down a little, then tried to move further, but it came down like this. Okay. So what do you think is happening right there? This is where market is currently at. What do you think is going to happen? Okay. So basically say market will sell, market will buy. All right. So let's keep analyzing and see what we can actually do right there. We have a support zone here. Now we have higher low, then higher low. So this is it. We have this higher low, higher low, higher low. Now, when market is making series of higher low, walking towards a resistance zone, it means that there's a high tendency is going to push up to the upside. All right, so that's a cheat I just told you guys now. A cheat is for mentorship, but I just told you guys that cheat. All right, so you don't need only that cheat. There are many things that you need to know. All right, so we have markets building up to the upside. Okay, right here on 1 hour time frame. All right, so I'm zooming out again. I'm zooming in rather again to see clearly. All right, nothing. So we go to 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Now, on the 30 minutes time frame, where the market is currently at, which is here. This is looking like a W, a double bottom here. All right. So market has opened at 10. You know, normally we don't get to trade when market open. You allow market to settle very well, and that's during London session. Yeah, during London session, we get to look out for our entries and our entries for London session or New York session. So market has opened. So we wait to see what market is going to do. We have a double bottom here. So we need a confirmation to see if market is going to break out, come for a test, then go up. You can have that. Or see market break out here, come for a retest, then go down to this level. But let me tell you something. Whatever sell that is going to happen in this CHFJPY, see it as a retracement until it takes out the trend line of the one time frame. So stick that to your medulla oblongata. Okay, whatever sell we are saying that is going to happen on CHFJPY is a retracement, is a temporal sell. The main move is a buy move. Okay, except your market takes out your daily time frame trend line. Okay, so that is it. So get that into your brain. Let's go. So we go to 15 minutes time frame. Is there anything there? No, nothing really. So we go back to 30. So where am I going to be entering from? All right. If you have market, look at where I'm going to be entering from for a buy. If you have market come up and break this neckline here, breaks out like this neckline, I'll wait for retracement so I can buy. So my entry will be where? Around this zone. Hold. Third zone. That's when they have to come back for a retest. Okay, so we have market go like this, come for a retest, and we push up to the upside. So let's check out our long position. All right, so this is like swing trade because your stop loss is 56.8 pips. 56.8 pips. All right, so we go to higher time frame to adjust our trade. All right, 56.8 target 96, but the major move. If you for me as a very patient trader, what I would do is if I'm going to take this trade, I'll risk it very, very little. Then I'll wait for the initial break out here. The initial breakout here is the buy move for me. That is from here. Hours, so you can see clearly. This to this upside. That's the initial move for me. And that's a crazy buy move if markets start moving in that direction. Only these markets you have made money for the year, depending on what you're risking. This 723 pips. I'm risking 172 pips. So that's like a crazy swing trade, mad one. So this is a major buy move. Okay, if you have market come up to this place. But like I said, if I'm going to take trade from this zone, this little one, I'm just going to be risking a little because for me, as a patient trader, you know, I don't consider that as something vigorous. All right, so I just wait for the initial move which is the buy move. All right. Yeah, so that is it for me on CHF JPY. But also remember that what's likely going to change the direction of the market is fundamentals. So which we are going to be looking into the fundamentals to see if we have news on CHF JPY. All right, hold on. Now, since some persons they are annoying, guys. We are on live in which there's nobody in FS Media that doesn't know about today, that doesn't know about Sunday market. They call me. What do you want me to do? Make I pick up for life. Your mates are here learning, you are here calling me. Some persons are very amazing. And it's a very amazing student that I know. One of my boys. Why they call me? Why they call me? Oh, Silence said you haven't replied my message on WhatsApp. I've got a funded account for months. Jesus, so sorry about that. So sorry. See, guys, let me tell you something, please. Let me tell you something. If you send me a message on WhatsApp and your message is not coming in, you could please, I'm begging everybody, text me on Instagram. All right, Instagram, there are less messages there. Text me on Instagram. If you send me a message like your funded account, you need a reply. Not just any message, you need a reply like this funded account matter, signal mentorship, referral of somebody, or maybe asking me a question based on Forex, what you've been studying so far. Fine, just send a direct message to Instagram if I'm not replying on WhatsApp. Okay, please, that place is not crowded yet. All right, so Silas, please, after the live, kindly resend your message, or if I'm not replying, please send me a message on Instagram, not on Facebook. Facebook said don't join don't jam where. A lot of people want to make money, so they are sending messages, series of messages. So it's not easy trying to help a lot of people. But at times say you are not really active on WhatsApp, except just post. Send me very important message and you get reply. If it's the message, you will not answer. All right, so let's go. So the second one we're looking into is, let me check why I took note of that. All right, so USDCHF. Hold on, but let's go and check. Let's check. Let's check the names. Light is gone. Shola, what's wrong with this guy? What's wrong with this? It's not opening. I don't know why. All right, guys, hold on. All right. So here we have it. We go to the economical calendar. Okay, on a Monday, what do we have? Medium, low, 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 medium, low, low, low. All right, so Monday is a free day. Whatever technicals you're taking on Monday, which is tomorrow, um, is going to go in your direction technically, as long as your technicals are right. If, as long as they're right, too. Not the one way you know sabi anything like that. You just say go your direction. So news is not going to shake your market for Monday. All right, so we look into Tuesday. AUD, watch out for high impact news at 3 p.m. Tuesday night, 3 a.m. Tuesday night. Euro, watch out for high. Canadian dollar, yeah, at 11:30 in the morning. Watch out for that. Wednesday, we have JPY on high. All right, so we should have made some money before that Wednesday. Then we have USD. Oh, FOMC. FOMC is on Wednesday. FOMC news, one of the high impact news, is happening 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Yeah, FOMC. So watch out. USD pairs are likely going to be volatile. Yeah. So on Thursday, no, Thursday morning, 12 on the dot, we have AUD dropping high. Two things are involved. You can trade in line with the high impact news, or you exit your market before the news drop, or you break even while you're seeing the market, or you wait, let the market drop before you take in your trade. So whichever strategy you are using is up to you. USD on that Thursday, we have high. All right, GBP high. USD is also high. So we're having jobless claims, 4 weeks, continuing jobless claims. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, S&P Global Service PMI. All right, so this market is also volatile. So watch out for Thursday as well. So basically, from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you have to be marrying your fundamental. Basically, from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, observing your fundamental. On Monday and Tuesday, you're good to go with your technicals. All right, so let's go back. All right, USDCHF. Goes higher time frame. We analyzed this market the last time and it hits our take profit one. All right. So let's identify the trend. The trend is a downtrend normal. It's a downtrend normal. So we should be trading the line of sell. So you can buy the temporal buy if you are an expert. If you're an expert, okay. If you are not an expert, okay, stick to the trend of the market. Okay, so we have this a breakout here. So we have a breakout here, massively went to the trend line, added with your horizontal resistance, and market dropped down for a retracement, and this is where it currently is. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for. This is what I'm looking out for. Look, wait for market to bounce like this and eventually dump, or market breaks from here, retest and dump. So looking for opportunities to do what? To short. Buying is dangerous in a way because we are looking at a downtrend. And if market comes up here and break out, we wait for a retest, candlestick formation, and we what? Buy. So we're looking out for 3 entries, but we're waiting for market to retest our zone. Let's go to 30 minutes first. 30 minutes, like I'm saying something right there. I'm saying a zone. So we are having a zone. This is looking like a head and shoulder pattern. Look at it. So this is where market is currently at. But we'll just wait. We wait for to see what's going to happen. Then we have our entries. Probably you can, if you have a confirmation from here, you can buy temporarily, but that's for expert traders and those who have capital. All right. But we want to trade in direction of the market. You wait for the main move. Wait for the main move. All right. So this is what I'm actually looking at for in this light. So the main move is a sell. Is a sell, but you can temporarily buy, but we wait to see what's going to happen as usual. So we're looking out for CHF JPY and USD CHF. Okay. So if we're buying CHF JPY or selling USD CHF, so you can see that CHF is the base currency for USD CHF, and CHF JPY, see the first one, which is CHF, is the base currency. Sorry, USD CHF, the CHF is the quote currency. Why CHF JPY? That CHF is what? The base currency. You see, so if you're buying one, you're selling the other. So that is how it actually works. All right, guys. So drop your suggestions on a pair you want us to look into. I'll just look at one. I want to ensure I end this live exactly 1 hour. 1 hour. So we have 10 minutes to go. I want to ensure that so we don't take so much time. Someone said good. Okay, let me see. The one that appears the most I look into. Let's go. Hope I'm getting value from what I've shared with you guys tonight. So for me, 2 pairs is okay. But if during the week we have more pairs that have signals, I'm going to drop in the funded traders group. If you are not yet in the funded traders group, ensure you are there. Register with FX Media link. Promo code is FX Media 28. Now, the reason why you need to use our link and promo code is because it gives you access to our free signal room. Our free signal room. Yeah. The signal room, people actually subscribe $200, $100, but for the fact you're going to be registering with our promo code and you fund your account, you get it for free. All right. So that is it. So that's a huge opportunity for you. Ensure you are trading a real account. But if you're a newbie, don't bother about that. Learn first before you start to try. You need to get real bet live, okay, trade the financial market, trade signals as well, and make money for yourself. The year is already remaining like 4 months to go. And if you look back, you're not part of your account balance, then what's up? Not part of your account balance, you need to do the needful. This is a don't allow all this YouTube live to waste. There are people making money. Did you see where I posted somebody withdrew 7.5 million naira this month? Do you see that? If you'll be following my status, you will see it. 7.5 million naira. Yeah, another guy withdrew 4 million. Doesn't have to head. He's a student as well. Doesn't have to head. This week. So you can imagine, don't play. Don't joke with the mentorship. Don't joke with the YouTube live. Don't joke with the signal room. You need to ensure that you are everywhere in FX Media, under FX Media umbrella. So everything I'm asking you to do, you do it. It all boils down to your own good. All right. I'm seeing AUDCHF coming up the most. So let's see what that guy has, since you guys are having suggestions on that. Don't just register with our link and tell me you are registered. If you don't fund your account, I'll block you. Don't tell me that one. Ensure that after you're registering, you're funding your account either to purchase a 10 trade funded account. So that's super amazing. That 10 trade is giving you an opportunity, give you capital, you trade. Okay, so that's super amazing. I told many of you that this era that we are, capital is no longer the problem. The cocoa is you sabi trade. That is the cocoa. That's the question. You sabi trade. If you sabi trade, go and get a proper account, big account, and trade. You share profit. That's it. If you know sabi trade, learn very well. Learn. So gone are the days when you are having that. My $100 too small, or my $50 too small. Now why don't they make money from the market? To say I get like $10,000 now, it go make sense. Small thing with us, Abi, don't go add the first investor at the back of your name. No, it doesn't work like that. Let me tell you, if you can't grow small accounts, you can't grow big accounts. That's the reality that a lot of people don't know. If you can't grow small accounts, you can't grow big accounts. That is it. So capital is no longer the problem. Focus on the knowledge. Do yourself good, except you want to learn the hard way. And learning the hard way is what your account to pay for it. You're not ready to lose money, right? Money is scarce, but not scarce for us that are trading forex the right way. Or making money in dollars and spending in our local currency. All right, I tell you this CHF 4 hours time frame. What's the trend of the market? I don't like this AUDCHF. It doesn't look like something to trade for me based on my strategy. But based on what I'm seeing, AUDCHF is supposed to buy. But I don't like this AUDC. I don't trade it. Right, so let's look at the next one, which is gold XAU. Remember, we are not the makers of the market. We're not market makers, so we only speculate and use our strategy that has a good win rate, and we take our trade. The market goes against us, we're losing small. If it goes in for us, we're making big. You know how the last class, on Sunday, I discussed with you guys how I lost 500K, right? Somebody was calculating my money. You know how much I've made this past week? I've recovered my 500,000 naira. You have no idea. I made millions. Let me just put it like that. Let me not tell you figures. I made millions. So the 500K has been covered up. That's trading for you. All right. And the 500K I lost, it doesn't mean I will buy it. No. You do know my account size. I have multiple accounts. As a trader, you should have more than one account. Here, you are an investor. Firstly, you're an investor. A forex trader, profitable forex trader, you're an investor. Okay. That is how it is. All right. Gold has been bullish since. I will be eating the gold. Eating it, does they buy, it does they shop and they go. I've been trading gold this past period. That last week where I analyzed gold for you guys, it went our direction. You guys saw it. It went our direction by money. It bought massively, and the glory be to God. So gold is still bullish. It's still bullish. What we do is we wait for retracement. But let's go to day one. Then gold created an all-time high. Gold is still bullish. So you have to be patient to look for retracements. Retracement to continue the bullish trend. Yeah, retracements. We had a breakout here, a major breakout. A major breakout here. So we go to 30 minutes. Wow. We already had a retest here. Wow, this is great. We had a retest. It broke out, came for a retest here, and pushed to the upside. Interesting. So what you just have to do is to wait for a test. So that's what we have to do. Wait for the test on this level or back to this level before we buy. So that's what you just have to do. Yeah, you gotta wait for a test. You're gonna be buying from here now. You just took your set. To wait for the test either to this level or down to this level. So our candlestick pattern will determine what you're going to be doing in that light. So like I said, gold is still bullish. We wait for retracement to take our trade. And glory be to God, those of you in the Funded Traders group, you will have an entry on that. All right. So if you're in the Funded Traders group and during the course of the week, you saw a potential currency pair that is going to buy or is going to sell well, you can share it with me on the chat to review, so I can see if I can drop the signal for those on the group. All right. So if you say don't go open any market and send to me. No, if you have a suggestion that okay, this market is going to go well, you send it to me, I'll review it. If it's going to go well, it's a funded traders group. So that is it. To play your own role in the funded traders group, you also help yourself to become your own signal. All right. So you don't just take signal anyhow. There are sometimes that students tell me that, sir, the SL you put is not correct. Yeah. And I get to look at it. I say, oh, TP and SL are the same thing. Sorry, it's based on my copy and paste. It didn't copy actually. All right. But someone who doesn't know how to trade, he doesn't know where to buy, he doesn't know how to sell, go and impute it. He's just saying wonders. You see that one who is dropping signal for you is making money and you are losing. You wonder what's going on here. So being at the same trade way we actually trade like this. Crypto guys say, boss, please analyze my favorite pair. Your favorite pair, Euro, USD. That's your favorite pair. All right, so yeah, 59 minutes, less than 1 minute to go. All right, I'll take the last one, second last one actually. Let me take the last one. I'll see it. If it doesn't have good setup, I bounce. I go on to the next. So GBPNZD, I saw it as you guys suggestion. GBPNZD bought and top our stop loss, no wala. But we shall took out some profits. Look at it. It broke out, we made some good profits, and it came down right here. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. All right. So let's identify the trend well. All right. It's still bullish. It's still bullish. So we're looking for opportunities to buy. It's still bullish. But in this case, where we have this high to fail, yeah, it's failing. So this is like a head and shoulder here and here. It's failing. Okay. You just have to wait. Most likely it might come down to this level. As a familiar come down, or whichever way we are looking for buy opportunities. GBPNZD is still on a buy move. It's on a buy move. We wait for confirmation, candlestick confirmations. Okay, still bullish. Don't forget about that. All right. Do you have any question? If you got any question, drop in the chat section. Let's go. If you have any question, drop in the chat section. Oh, GBPJPY. GBPJPY. That guy, see JPY, they were funny. They will just buy before you know they start to trap people and be going down. That's crazy. Now it's correcting the market. GBP is still going to buy, but it's on a downtrend. It's a dangerous buy. If you get my buy, if you don't get my leave am, don't be by force. Yeah, I don't leave common hand for my favorite item. This JPY is what that's made me millions in the financial market. Yeah, it's one of the best that paved way for me. Yeah. So currently I'm just observing the negative. But let's see what we can plot. So for me, I'll just wait for GBP JPY. I don't see an entry right there. All right, what questions do we have right here? Don't say how to apply Fibonacci on our charts. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to make a video on that this week. Yeah, I'll make a video on that on YouTube, then I'll drop it. How to use Fibonacci retracement. So what do you mean by candlestick pattern? Yeah, I newbie. So this question you're asking, ensure you join in the mentorship so you know what we're talking about. Okay, Colin said What is your most profitable strategy? All right, most profitable strategy is using the top-down analysis price action. All right. So which other question am I saying? Boss, if you see signal goes down, what does that mean? I don't understand your question, Bana. I don't understand. Boss, what is the strategy that made you your first 1 million? Yeah, the strategy that made you my first 1 million is your price action, okay? Using top-down analysis. All right. I've always been a fan of top-down analysis added with indicator. Okay, Maxwell, keep your questions coming. I'll just take 5 minutes to answer you guys' question. Very well. Okay. Sir, I want to buy the $1,000 funded. Hope that can guarantee me to be in the funded with that. Sure. Sure, I'll guarantee you you're good. You're good to go. You're good. Which other question do we have? Drop in the questions. Drop in questions. Please, sir, can I put SL and leave it to run while I monitor the trade? Yeah. You put SL, sure, to control your loss. If you hit your SL, fine. Always remember that you've not lost a trade until you hit your SL. If you find market dancing to your SL and you're scared, that means you did not apply proper risk management. You only lose a trade when the trade actually hits your SL. That is asking what best app for trading. You're a newbie, enroll in the academy. Enroll in the academy. Yeah, saying GBP card. I'm not doing GBP card. I don't see potential. I've checked all these guys. GBP USD, I've checked it before the live. AUDCHF, I've checked it before the live. If that happens, I want to join, send us a message. You will see my number on the YouTube channel. All right. If you're looking for FS Media link, check on any of the videos on YouTube. You see FS Media 10 trade link. If you're in Port Harcourt, most likely you see me, or you might not see me this weekend. But let's see how it goes. How to analyze a chart through trading view. That one is another lesson on this phone, not on this live. This week, by the special grace of God. Okay, beautiful, Maxwell, and the best. Please, sir, fundamental analysis. We've done that already. We've checked out the fundamental analysis has to do with news trading, all right? There are strategies that are attached to your news trading that you need to know. I've been teaching it over time and also in the mentorship class, right? So I've been teaching how to use your fundamentals to apply in your technical. I've been teaching that. Okay. Oyeka said, Oyeka, my boy, how are you doing? I said, please, sir, does it mean we can't use micro lots or mini prop account? I don't understand what you're saying. Do you mean funded account? Forex class is the only class that I'm understanding clearly without a lot of questions. Shout out to you, sir. Thank you, Lab is smart. Send me a message, Lab is smart. It's been a while I heard from you. Send me a message, all right, on WhatsApp. Sir, is it to trade only one pair? Not really. I recommend you trading up to like 5 pairs, be a master of 5 pairs, know the in and out. I always give you guys this example of Bonvita, Milo, Cowbell chocolate, and every other pair, every other chocolate. All of them belong to the category of chocolate, right? But they have their uniqueness. That is why they have different names. Please, sir, can we minimum of $10? No, sir. You can fund $10, but you cannot join my signal. That's it. You don't want to make money. $10 will not get you anywhere. Sir, do you add SMC with your strategy? Yes, I do add SMC with my strategy, but it's not for YouTube Live. I can't review all the mentorship things on the YouTube Live now. Come on. Man, so what's now the difference between if I review everything on YouTube, what's now the difference between mentorship and the YouTube? No, so I have to keep amazing things that will change your trading game forever. Please, Colin says, sir, please make a video on how to read the calendar, please. Okay, I'll add it to my list. Sir, please, what is the prop firm account? A prop firm account is an account given to you to trade, a large account given to you to trade, whereby if you make profit, you split profits. The investor takes 30% while you take 70%. For you to know more about that, go and watch the video we made on how to pass your 10 trade prop accounts. It's still on YouTube. Go and watch it there. Sir, bring something for us if you come PSU. On God. I really want to learn how to read the calendar, please. Okay. Sir, please. Okay. What else do we have? How to pass the consistent form. I don't understand. what you're saying. How can I connect my account to MetaTrader? I've sent you guys that video in the class. The consistent rules. Consistent rules, basically, simple understanding is using a range of lot size for a particular account. If you are trading a $3,000 account, for example, and you pick your lot size, the first lot size you pick determines the range you use. If you pick your lot size to be 0.10, that's 0.1. Now, you shouldn't go below 50% backward or 50% above. You understand? So it means that you're allowed to use from 0.05 to 0.1 to 0.15, you know, but not all of a sudden just use one standard lot or use 0.01, you know, or use 0.9. No, that's crazy. You've broken the consistency. How much is for mentorship? Send us a message. So you are the best. Oh, and thank you so much, John. In FS Media, it's more or less like getting a scholarship. It's not as if you are paying for mentorship. You are aware of that. More or less like you're actually getting a scholarship if you actually qualify for that purpose. All right. So that's if you're paying FS Media for Forex mentor. You're going to pay me 1 million. Yeah, that's it. That's my price. I have people that pay me 1 million. Yeah, from abroad. You know, they stay in Canada, UK. They pay me 1 million for mentorship class. So 1.5. Yeah, no joke. And if we are talking about big people, some of which are working in bank over there, and some person is not really bank, you know, doesn't have to do with your profession, it just has to do with one who is very, very serious for a private class. I'm very busy. So for me to create my time to teach is a very, very big opportunity for you guys. Yeah, trust me. Very big opportunity. I don't have time to teach. I'm making money from the financial markets. So come on. So teaching is something like I just want to help people. I don't need people's money to actually to scale up now. I don't need people's money. I'm making money from the financial market. And this week, you're going to make a couple of millions. Sure, banker. Yeah, gone are the days where I used to have losing streak weeks. No, I know day for that one. Last, I shall make money. No matter how small, I make money for that week. All right. Can I fund my account with 5? I'll blow your teeth to Daniel Justice. I'll blow you like this. Put on me $5. Why they whine me like this? Now, for the new beings, what do we need to do to catch up easily? Because right now my brain is on high speed. The newbies, you should be in the free class now, right? Just follow up whatever I'm teaching. What is the minimum amount funded to join your Signal? Well, for proper account, the minimum account to join our funded traders, the minimum is your $3,000 account, which is sold for $29. That's the evaluation account. Then for if you just want to trade your money, the minimum now allow you is like from $50 for now. And also note that this promo I'm giving to you guys, promo code, is not going to last forever. I've told you guys this, but I actually increase the time. I'm going to put it to subscription back. Subscription that if you're going to join the funded traders group, you pay like $100 or $200 to join it. So use the opportunity you have now to get in. Okay, Labisman said that scholarship is what keep me moving. You are too much, boss. I really appreciate it. So you can imagine. So I'm not bogoing anybody. Being a part of everything is not less like scholarship. You're not actually paying me. You only have to make a commitment. Okay. So many of us are aware of that. Okay. And those who are actually worthy and yeah. So what about someone that buy click evaluation? I hope you see I've already answered that question. Start. But why does pro traders always request that someone should pay for their mentorship when they already have so much money? Hello, do you go to school for free? Do you go to school for free? Your school that you went to, don't they have money? They have money. Hello. You are not actually the person collecting money from you. Okay, is not what they call it. It's not for charity purpose. All right, it's for you to give give value to whatever thing you're learning. There's not everybody that actually it's not everybody that actually do these things that we do. Okay. Then and again, there are categories of persons that charge for mentorship that they steal money only from the mentorship. They are not profitable. There are many like that. So don't fall victim of scam. There are many like that will charge you $500. I know big traders that you guys know, that are living off of people's mentorship. Yeah, but I'm not going to mention them. This is a global YouTube class. I'm not going to mention them. I'm not going to tell anybody. Anyways, there's no need for that. I'm just telling you, be careful out there. If you have someone like FX Media, you follow up, use the opportunity that you have. I'm telling you, big traders are living off of people's mentorship fee. Yeah, they don't actually make money from the market. What they post demo account, and people believe it is well. All right, sir. On risk management, what lot size one use for a 140K account? Do you mean 140K dollars or 140K naira? I want to understand. Is it advisable to stick to one currency pair like USD card? If you want to, fine, but I recommend that you should have up to like 5 pairs that you trade. Okay. When trading, should I focus on green line or the candlesticks? Then adjust its length for its right here, or let you learn the hard way. All right. Umar said you are saying the truth. Yeah. I'm telling you the real fact. Yeah. I'm aware of those big traders that do like that. That live up of your mentorship. And there are many, I'm telling you. Many of them. Many of them doing that. So if if you're seeing scholarship from FS Media, you'll be happy. You even know very well that making money from trading, giving you guys scholarship. Is that not crazy? That's crazy. Those people that merit the scholarship, not anybody. You guys know I will they do. It's not everybody that qualifies for scholarship. All right. So yeah, that is it. Chudube Mali, I don't think how you doing, my bro. One of my star boys. Say you're right, Chief. Thank you so much. FS Media and nothing. Thank you, Korea. Sir, what lot size can I use for $50 account? 0.01 in 2 or 3 places. Yeah, you can use for that, depending on your stop loss pips. My boss, I'm really learning a lot from scholarship. Scholarship class. Thank you, boss. Thank you, Peter Clement. Beautiful. Danny, how can I join your class? You've been here, Danny. I've not been speaking Latin. I've been speaking English and everybody understand. Okay, so send us a message. Okay, you meant 140K dollars. 140K dollars. You use one standard lot. Yeah, can use one standard lot and above. Yeah, can use below, can use one standard lot and above. Yeah, for that, but don't go and risk too much. Now, the lot size you use is determined by the SL and your entry point. So be aware of that. If I open a demo account, can we start practicing? But you practice what you know. You practice strategy that you know. I'm very happy for the scholarship. So thank you, Delight. How do I get how do I stand the chance to get the scholarship? Always available. All right. So guys, I'm going to wrap up the class right there. Thank you so much for being part of tonight's class. You guys have been awesome, remarkable. So it doesn't cost much to recommend FX Media to people around the world. Like I said, I'm looking at for a time where I'm going to be having 1,000 people in class in the YouTube live. Yeah, you guys are going to make it happen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on your notification, then you know, post FS Media, follow us on our YouTube, on our social media, and it doesn't cost much. Okay, it doesn't cost much. So I've given over $43,000 accounts, okay, in affiliation with Century, and that costs a lot of millions, right? And that's crazy for free. That's crazy, man. Grab the opportunities that you have now before I put a subscription fee on mentorship and also on your signal room. Grab your copy now. But I'm going to put a price tag for mentorship. I will put it at $2,000. And I'm not joking. If you don't get the money, they go your house, not by force. After all, the $2,000, I can make it in 1 day or 2 days, or maybe while I'm having a bad trading week, I can make that in a week. All right, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for being part of tonight's class. I love you all. If you made a withdrawal, send us so we can repost your profitable withdrawals as well. All right, sure you're using Tentrade. Tentrade is the best and legit broker you have here that provides firm services and also provides broker services. So all in one, you don't need to be jumping up and down, changing broker up and down. Until your money lost, use Tentrade broker, which is the best in the world, and ensure you sign up with FS Media link so you can have access to our free funded traders, signal room, and other super amazing opportunities that are likely to come your way. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the life. Do have a lovely week. Do have a lovely week. So I'm going to close with this. Please and please, whenever you wake up in the morning, don't rush to get your phone. Ensure that you try to pray. Make you pray so you will know whether they talk. You understand? That's very important. A lot of people have formed this habit of waking up in the morning and the first thing they do is pick up their phone and start. Say you know go pray, maybe you shall not say they talk. When you wake up, baby, wake up, the deaf and dog. I'm just catching clues. But the truth of the matter is pray before you do any of that thing. Even if it's thank you, Lord, for making me to wake up today. I'm grateful to my family for the gift of life. Fine. Good. Thank you. My day is blessed. You stand up from the bed or pick up your phone and do all that thing. Period. All right. So that is it. Not that you just as you wake up, you run straight to your phone and start checking WhatsApp. I never say anything. You never say anything. This year, ensure you are, if you are not yet a forest millionaire, ensure you work towards being a forest millionaire before the end of this year. If you have not started earning something, still work in that direction. Even if you are earning your thousands, fine, no problem. Samuel, go you there? Let's say join later. I don't see your activeness. Pray and do some up and great flip. Up and grateful. Sorry, until you break your head. One guy don't break your head. I say for IG. The guy don't break head. Up and grateful flip. Okay, it's all right. Continue. Devil go just a smile. I've said thank you so much for joining tonight's class. I'm going to end the class now. All right, guys. Do have a lovely week. Bye.